Happy birthday, Nana.
Happy 90th birthday, Nana. We love you.
Happy 90th birthday, Nana. Love you.
Hey, Nana, I hope you have a wonderful 90th birthday. I can't wait to see you, and I miss you. Hope you guys are doing well.
Happy birthday, Nana. I love you. I miss you.
Hey Nana, it's me, Lee. I wanted to wish you a happy 90th birthday, and I hope you get to eat lots of cake and ice cream.
Happy birthday, Nana. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Have the best 90th birthday ever, Nana. Happy 90th birthday, Nana. I love you. Happy birthday, Nana.
Nana, I hope you have a wonderful 90th birthday. I love you.
Nana, I just want to take a minute and wish you a happy 90th birthday. And I hope that you have a great day and a great birthday. Happy 90th.
Happy 90th birthday, Nana.
Happy 90th birthday, Nana.
Happy birthday, Nana. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nana. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Nana. Love you.
Mom, I'm sorry I can't be there. Becky sent me off to do some work, and so I sent her up there and I asked her to give you a hug and wish you a happy 90th birthday, and maybe I will see you on Sunday. Happy 90th birthday. Love you. Bye.